Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to earn cryptocurrency in mobile phone. Number 1 is CoinReply. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. I will give you all the link on the description below. Here you can watch BTC ad and earn some coin. And you're also able to withdraw crypto in a 4 wallet like Bitcoin wallet, Doge wallet, LTC wallet and Dash wallet. You can also earn coin by doing survey which is given there. And another way to earn coin is to roll the faucet every day. Number 2 is Honeygain. There is nothing much you have to do there. You just have to leave this app in the background with the internet on. They share your internet, give you some award. I have already made $11. If you download by my link, you can get $5 for free. And the third one is Bitcoin Libre. You have to create an account there and all you have to do is to roll the spin every day and earn Bitcoin. I got 0.02 today. You can spin and have a chance to win up to $1 every day. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video.